What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Today we're going to discuss Gilas falling to Georgia 96-94, but we still advance to the
Yeah.
semifinals, round two.
Yep. Uh yeah. Oh, yeah. I kind of don't know how to explain what I'm feeling right now. On the one hand, syempre gusto mong manalo yung Gilas, syempre,
Oo,
and everything.
tama.
Pero at the same time, you understand that they did still qualify. They did
Mm-hmm.
genuinely still qualify, and you should be happy about that. We have qualified. We're probably going up against Brazil.
Mm-mm.
Let me just check the other bracket. I think it should.
Brazil ba or Montenegro? Kasi as of right now, Montenegro seed number one. As of right now, ah.
Yeah, they say number one.
Right now in Group B, one is Montenegro, two Brazil. Pero maglalaban pa ang Cameroon and Brazil later.
Ayun, Brazil siguro yun.
Mm-mm.
Who won the game? Who won?
Pero
Um,
1-1. Kung manalo Brazil, okay, mag number one seed Brazil. So makakalaban natin Brazil if ever
yeah,
they beat Cameroon, which they will, which
which
more
they will.
likely they will.
It's more than most likely they will beat Cameroon once
Okay,
the
so we are as of
once.
the point as of this recording, we might face Brazil.
Yes, as of right now, we don't
Mm,
know. Maybe Cameroon's gonna do us a favor, or maybe somehow,
check ko
some way,
lang.
there's some magic there. Wait, I'm trying to see. Brazil beat Montenegro. Oh, Montenegro, but then by +9. Montenegro beat Cameroon by 4. To be fair, that's Montenegro only beating them by 4 is kind of it's kind of big. Okay.
Cameroon and Brazil is at 12 later.
Yeah.
So,
Obviously, you'd expect Brazil to win that. So we'll
mm,
talk. We'll say it in the idea that Brazil will win that. Um, ayun. It's nice that Gilas is still gonna go to the semifinals. Syempre gusto mong manalo, pero at the end of the day, they got their job done. I don't think many people expected us to even be in the position where we get to decide our own fate, diba?
mm,
um, for the first time in a long time, we were able to choose. We had the opportunity of, okay, we lost, but then we still get in. Sobrang minsan lang yun for Gilas. So still, congratulations to the Gilas team. Uh, but we have to admit that for that start of the game, oh man, the start of the game that did not look good for Gilas. Halatang pagod. I think halatang pagod from yesterday's game. Halatang pagod sila. And Georgia came out absolutely ready to play, 'di ba? They had
kala
Goga.
ko mano tayo. So, shit, matatambakan ba tayo?
Yeah, they had Goga, they had Mamu ready to play. Their guards were ready to play. But after a while, when Gilas settled in, kitang-kita mo yung medyo walang depth ang Georgia. They have 4 players maybe who you should be worried about. Mamu, Goga, Shangelia, and that one shooter.
Mm,
But the rest of the team, you're not really necessarily worried masyado. And I think a major adjustment in this game as to paano natin na comeback, um, is yung defensive adjustment. To go into
Nag-zone
that
tayo. When we went zone.
Once we went into that zone, it was so hard for Georgia to score. They were daring. They were daring them to shoot threes. They were daring some people to shoot threes. You'd want Goga to shoot threes. I understand. You'd want Shangelia to shoot threes. I understand.
Bigay mo
May
yun.
may moments na may inis ka kasi paulit-ulit yung tres sa corner pumapasok. They played the numbers and it ended up working out in their favor. In their favor. Ayun. Some shout outs to some of those Gilas players off the bench. I think yung mga bench players natin really came in today and played a
Lalo na
big
si
part.
Carl. Sobrang si Carl.
Carl
Laban si Carl.
Tamayo, Carl Tamayo. Yung tiwala ni Carl sa sarili niya. Yung tiwala ni Carl sa sarili niya. And again, you saw it. Gilas is doing this thing where they're trying to get in the heads of their opponents, right? He did it
Mm.
to ginawa niya kay Shangelia,
So,
right?
sa likod no, gira.
Yeah.
Pero light tap lang para ma-feel niya nandun ako sa likod mo.
Oh, and actually momentum continuer yun. Starter yun basically. Shout out din to Calvin Oftana. He was missing some free throws.
Mm.
Calvin was made a pretty big 3-point shot when we were down 16. We were down 16. He made a 3-pointer to cut it to 13 and then by the end of the first half we were only down 12. So, and I think the biggest shout out has to come from to CJ Perez.
Mhm.
Hey, our boy CJ came. CJ, CJ finally came to play today, diba? He made three threes, two threes, a lot of layups. Honestly, he kept it close. When Georgia was up by 7 at one point, he made a layup. He made a three. He was there. CJ Perez played great for Gilas today. Major shout out to Carl Tamayo taking the place of Kai Soto. We hope Kai gets better. Bago yung laro against whoever it may be. It looked kind of bad, honestly. Medyo ang sama nung bagsak ni Kai, no?
Sa ano niya
Um,
pa, no? Chan niya pa.
yeah. Medyo masama yung bagsak ni Kai. Tapos binagsakan pa siya. So,
Ni
masama
Goga.
na yung bagsak niya. Nabagsakan pa siya. So, we hope he gets better soon. But Carl Tamayo filled his role very well. Carl Tamayo filled his role very well. What other pros can we talk about here? Um, you're able to give confidence siguro sa ibang players mo, di ba? Carl's gaining confidence. They even played KQ for a bit in the
Yeah.
fourth. Yun nga, yung mo sa akin yung post, yung kaya alam niyo ba't ako nagmintis. Alam niyo,
Kaya
yun,
alam yun.
CJ's confidence must be sky high right now. Even Japeth, you got decent contributions from
Japit
Japeth.
agad. Yeah.
Mhm. And ayun, big time. And again, we need to talk about this man, Chris Newsome. We need to talk about this man, Chris Newsome. In the second quarter, grabbing offensive output second and third. He was making some pretty big shots for Gilas. Keeping it close, making those tough layups, mid-range jumpers pa. Grabe. Uh, it makes you question why hasn't Chris been on the national team before? I mean, not before, but on this stage before, di ba?
World Cup sana. Siya ngayon last cut eh. Di
Yeah.
ba?
I forgot who was he in contention with at that time. I don't really remember. Pero, I
Pogoy.
think
It was either
Abando.
him or Pogoy.
Not Abando. Di ba Abando or him? Hindi ako sure.
Parang hindi ata si Abando. Parang si Pogoy ata yung last cut.
Talaga ba? Starter siya? Parang hindi. The starter mo, yung last cut, yung second to the last cut. Anyway,
Yeah.
ayun, Dwight Ramos, again, doing Dwight Ramos things. Pero, alam mo, ang funny kasi Dwight is showing some three-point shooting, which is absolutely dead on right now. And last but not the least, you gotta talk about that guy, Justin Brownlee.
Ganda
Uh,
ng stats. 28, 8, and 8. Dude,
grabbing,
played the entire game. 39,
gra-
39 minutes and 34 seconds, oh.
grabbing yung JB. Uh, uh, he made the first basket for Gilas. And yun yung important, di ba? Yung mga, okay, they can calm down now. Somebody's finally scored for them.
Mm.
And then, tuloy-tuloy, grabe yung shooting niya. He even made that one insane three-pointer. Yung off the top of the rim or whatever like that. Something like that. Grabe yung performance ni JB. Iba ang Gilas JB. And he fits the system super, super well. Ayun, the cons of this game, we've seen it now. We can kind of see it now against faster bigs. Medyo mahihirapan yung bigs
Yeah, so
natin.
much turnovers, bro. I think we had 20 turnovers. So that's the six of Georgia.
Bro, 8 of those in the first quarter.
Yeah, eight. Well, six ata. Six ata in the first quarter.
Tiga. Anyway,
Yeah.
and then kita mo rin na defensively against bigs, hirap medyo si Junmar and Kai. Closeouts to three-point shooters still aren't the best. Uh, and then sometimes on offense, it could get a bit stagnant. Pero
Yeah.
maganda pa yung movement nila, admittedly.
Na-scout na tayo eh. Na-scout na eh. See them doubling JB, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, hey, they still couldn't stop him. Di pa rin nila matigil si JB. Ayun, it's really nice for Gilas to finally be able to move on to the semis. Hopefully, we can carry this momentum into that semifinals against most probably Brazil. But right now, in terms of Gilas history, this is still great for Gilas to
Mm.
Gilas history. Now we're finally able to move on to this type of stage. I'm sure our rankings would increase after this year.
Mag-increase nga.
It has to
For sure.
increase. And ayun, the possibilities right now are you go up against Brazil, you might beat Brazil, then you could see Latvia in the finals. That would be the
Mukhang
Latvia Brazil.
Latvia nga eh, no? Or, ma-upset ang Latvia ng kalaban nila. Pero Latvia pa rin yan eh. Iba pa rin ang Latvia with Arthur Zagars eh.
Possible na ano yun, no? Either Slovenia, hindi mo.
No, no,
Slovenia
no,
has
no,
to
no, no.
more than 10.
Wait, hindi natin ka-bracket ang Slovenia. We're just gonna focus lang on the six teams
Oh,
here.
sorry.
That's Cameroon, Brazil, and
Ayun. Sorry.
yeah. So yun yung intercross na maglalaban. So tayo, Brazil, 'di ba? Latvia might face Montenegro.
Eh, honestly, Montenegro ain't bad. Malay mo. Uh, with
Pero Latvia loves facing European teams. Yun yung mga kinakatay nila na
yeah, from European team, they're like, oh yeah,
pag Asian shit.
oh yeah. We well, to be fair,
How
even
to
against Asia, even against Asia, we still get they get oh hell yeah. Uh, ayun, yeah. So right now, we're probably going
So,
up
would
against
you say na si Junmar kanina, like, just to our conversation kanina, was he like more of disengaged sa defense?
tired.
Tired?
You gotta remember this guy's 34. He's
And
34.
back to back pa.
Back to back. Not even, it's barely even a back to back, dude.
20 hours pala.
Within the same, it's basically within the same day you played two games.
Mm.
And this is a Coach Tim thing, right? He plays his starters in tense minutes.
Oh, heavy talaga.
Yun. So, pagod din. Second is, iba yung matchup niya today. Yung matchup niya today, literal na binabangga siya. Yesterday naman, aminin natin o hindi, wala naman post player yung
Wala. Georgia, lahat bibigat.
yeah, Georgia, lahat post player, lahat aatakihin talaga siya. Right? So, iba yung Goga Bitadze, bro. Bitadze is against June Mars, a matchup, right? Iba yung
Mm.
going from not Rick Smith, I forgot his starting name. Going from Smith to Bitadze is a lot different. So, there were moments na mukhang pagod si Junmar. And even
Oo.
offensively, he wasn't really that engaged either. Parang, I think one of the main focuses of maybe Georgia was to take Junmar out of the game. And it worked, right? Um, I don't know how many paint points we had, but I know we scored a lot from three. We needed a lot more from three
Maganda
today.
three-point shooting natin. I think we shot like 50+% from three, which is also abnormal.
Normal as hell, right? So right now you're seeing that this Gilas team has learned a bit maybe to adapt. This is something we haven't seen before. So this Gilas team is learning how to adapt. Now, okay, they're shutting down Junmar. Let's give JB the ball more. Let's give Chris the ball more. Let's give Dwight the ball more. Yesterday in Latvia, we saw them that okay, Junmar is going up against somebody who can't defend him. Kai is going against
Mm.
somebody who can't defend him. Let's let our offense run through that. Then we'll pass to our guards off the post. Kita mo yung adaptations, which is a lot to do with coaching on both offense and defense. The genius call talaga was that 2-3 zone. That changed everything for Gilas, right? Uh, they were able to finally get stops. It helps that Georgia wasn't making their three pointers at all. Well, not even at all, but they were barely making their wide open threes. So, ayun. Yes, you lost the game, but in the long run, you won the war. I guess you can say you won the war. You got your at the end you got your goal. So, congrats to them.
Yeah, so moving forward, point of concern here is Kai Soto. We have to have everybody in A+ shape against Brazil, who might look like the team that we're gonna face, assuming na they beat Cameroon later, which
When
they
is that
will
gonna be?
later, 12 a.m. in an hour.
If ever yung Gilas versus
Alam ko may isang day na break ata.
sana
May
naman.
one day na pahinga. May one day na pahinga sila.
Oh man. Yeah. So
Bugbugan
hopefully,
talaga tong OQT, bro. Tapos after 2 weeks, Olympics na. Ganon kabilis.
actually medyo surprised ako ng ganito pala kalapit yun. Yung
Sobrang sinagad talaga nila.
yeah, that's so near. That's so near. And ayun, hopefully healthy nga talaga yung buong team. Even like some of the other players um who are dealing with like maybe minor injuries. Maybe Junmar, maybe Justin, maybe Chris. Yung mga minor injuries lang, they're able to heal up a little bit because if when you go against Brazil, it's gonna be a battle. Brazil beat
They're so
Montenegro.
quick.
Yeah, and they're big.
Yeah,
They're
and
quick.
they're big.
They're literally they're literally a Europe. They're a typical European team. They're a very
The
typical
South
Europe.
Americans. Oh.
nga pala, South America pala siya. I'm sorry. But then they
Oo.
play quite like Europeans, is what I'm trying to say. Um, so uh, hopefully we are able to show up against Brazil the same way we showed up against Latvia, right? I think people weren't expecting how we performed against Latvia. So hopefully we can do the same against Brazil. Most probably Brazil, but if it's gonna whatever happens, it'll happen, right? And then yeah, at the end of the day, Gilas got what they needed, and they're here. That's it.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. So see you guys for the next game. It will be a post game reaction again. Oh wait, but we have a podcast on the PBA draft. We're gonna do a mock draft. So give us
Oh
1 day
man,
to formulate our first 2 rounds, and then we're gonna have a draft. We're gonna have
those
the podcast on Saturday evening,
those
most likely.
those
Or you think
those,
Sunday?
those applicants got better and
Yeah.
better as the days went on,
So
man.
yun. I'll see you guys. For those on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. For Spotify, to follow. And as always, thanks for supporting the podcast. We'll see you guys in 2 days. Peace.